Yeah, g'day everyone. Slightly drizzly day here at the Mac, but going to give this handline a go, see how it goes. As you can see, there's a few people here. This rooster here has just landed a kahawai as we arrived. Nice sized fish. Sorry, the light's not so good. So we've got a bit of drizzle going on, but I'll get set up and then talk you through it. Well, I've thrown it out a couple of times now, and the mussels aren't staying on the hook. I'll try again, and then I might just cheat and use some traditional hooks and try and use it like a proper handline until I get around to fine-tuning these things a bit more. Old mate's gone for a piss and the seagulls are sneaking his bait. No joy with keeping the bait on. I'm going to go to a traditional sabiki rig and just try and catch some mullet, and then see how we go from there. It's about an hour to low tide, so we should start seeing some people starting to catch some fish. In fact, there's a person walking up the beach there with a wee kahawai too, so fish are starting to show up, so let's see how we go. Well, trying. This is about 20-25 pound breaking strain, so plenty strong enough. I guess the issue is there's 40 metres of string there. Will that be enough to hold an angry kahawai if he takes the bait? Wee man's just changed to a silver green ticer from a smaller one. He had a 55 gram on, but the river's pretty low and pretty clear, so we're going to try 28, see how that goes. There's been 2 or 3 more fish landed down here. You can see off on the other side of the river. There's a truck there that's come in from Spencer Park. It's got a couple of lines out, baits on them. There's old mate here who's come in this truck and he's lure fishing. So down the point there, it's just blocked off by the truck. The guy in the light coloured jacket, he's got a fish on. So there's definitely fish in the river. Just got to come to us. I'm trying to stay out of people's way with the handline because it's just sitting there. It's not a rod, it's not as visible. Got a flasher rig on there with a little bit of muscle, so I know that's not too traditional. So hey, I just want to get a fish or 2 on there to start with, and then we'll start fine-tuning the rest of the gear. But yeah, so that's us so far. So he's got one. Caught a few downstream. I'm not going to call it a failure. Just if Alex the Kiwi who's with me isn't catching fish, then I don't feel so bad that I'm not either. So if he catches 3 and I still haven't got one, I'll call it a failure, but at this point he hasn't got one either. Well, that's a bit of a piss off. I just lost the fish, but it wasn't big, but it took a bait. I'm using a herring head I found on the beach as a bait on the top hook and just a bit of mussel on the bottom. So yeah, chucked it back out again. We'll see how we go. So I've just got it tied to a stick, and I'm going down into the water. See it move if you get a bite, and then the remains of the handline there. We're about 10 minutes off low tide. So I went for a walk the day before yesterday and forgot to cook my lunch. Well, didn't get a chance. So there's some 2-day-old frankfurters that have been sitting in a warm truck. So just got a couple of strip baits off those, and we'll see how they work for a kahawai, eh? We gave up fishing. These guys landed on the beach. Sky Jeeps and Aero Prats and God knows what. Yeah, there's another couple down there. Yeah, so heaps of cool planes. We'll hang around and see when they take off. This beast here, under cambered wings for heaps of lift. Some weights there, balancing centre of gravity. It's real cool. We'll go and get out of their way. The wind blowing into our face. Everyone's on the beach today. We'll watch this guy take off, eh? So we didn't catch any fish, but I got a hoon on a blowcart. We saw some little microlight planes doing their STOL thing, and now we'll head home. Rods away. This thing here is just cool. Anyway, sorry I couldn't catch a fish, but yeah, next time, eh? See ya.